Hey, welcome to a new video. The universe is home to countless planets, each with unique properties and mysteries. In our ongoing quest to explore the cosmos, we have made some extraordinary discoveries. Today we'll show you the 20 strangest planets ever discovered. Are you new to this channel? Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And before we start, also like the video. Number 20. HD 131399AB, also known as the planet with 3 suns, is located approximately 340 light-years away in the Centaurus constellation. This planet stands out due to its association with a triple star system, making it an outlier in the realm of celestial bodies. With a mass of about 4 times that of Jupiter, it's a heavyweight among planets. What sets it apart is its extensive orbit around one member of the triple star system. This peculiar planet takes a whopping 550 Earth years to complete a single orbit. The other 2 smaller stars in the system revolve around the host of the planet, a blue-white giant star that's almost twice the size of our own sun. This complex celestial dance creates an enchanting and ever-changing sky, where sunrises and sunsets can feature 1, 2, or even 3 suns. Although multiple star systems aren't entirely uncommon, the planet stands out because it's been directly observed and studied. However, the planet's future appears to be uncertain. Astronomers have expressed concerns about its stability and the possibility of it being ejected from the system in the near future. Number 19. GJ1214b, also known as the Water World, is an exoplanet located about 40 light-years from Earth, in the Ophiuchus constellation. It's classified as a super-Earth, with a diameter of about 2.7 times that of the Earth and a mass nearly 7 times greater. Its atmosphere has been studied using the NASA Hubble Space Telescope, which observed the planet as it transited in front of its star. These observations have helped determine the composition of the planet's atmosphere. The planet orbits a red dwarf star at a distance of 1.24 million miles, or 2 million kilometers, resulting in scorching surface temperatures of approximately 440 degrees Fahrenheit, or 230 degrees Celsius. Additionally, the planet's atmosphere is thick and hazy, making up a significant portion of its mass in the form of water. The high temperatures and pressures on the planet lead to exotic materials, like hot ice or superfluid water, substances entirely different from those found on Earth. Scientists believe the planet originally formed farther from its star, where water ice was abundant and migrated over time to its current location. Number 18. Kepler 16b consists of a mixture of gas and rock, with a predominantly gaseous outer layer and a rocky core. It's located about 200 light-years from Earth in the Cygnus constellation, and it's classified as a gas giant. It's also often referred to as a circumbinary planet because it orbits 2 stars, similar to the planet Tatooine in the Star Wars films. The 2 stars in the Kepler 16 system are smaller and cooler than our Sun, with one star being approximately 69% of the Sun's size, while the other is about 20% of our Sun's size. Kepler 16b has a mass roughly equal to that of Saturn, making it one of the least massive exoplanets known at the time. It orbits its binary star system at a distance of about 65 million miles, or 105 million kilometers, roughly the same distance as Venus to the Sun. The planet's surface temperatures are extremely cold due to its distance from the stars and limited amount of heat it receives. Kepler 16b was discovered using the Kepler space probe, which detected the periodic dimming of light by the planet in front of its star. The planet also has a tilted orbit, resulting in large temperature variations during its orbit, and it's unsuitable for known life. Number 17. WASP107b, also known as the Cotton Candy Planet, defies conventional models of gas giant formation. This peculiar exoplanet, discovered in 2017, is located about 212 light-years away in the Virgo constellation. It orbits closely around its host star, completing each revolution in just 5.7 days. Despite being similar in size to Jupiter, it has only about 1/10 of Jupiter's mass, making it one of the least dense planets we know of. Its density resembles that of cotton candy. However, this doesn't mean you can actually eat the planet. Astronomers found that its density is even lower than previously thought, challenging our understanding of gas giant formation. Through an analysis of internal structure, scientists have determined that the planet's solid core cannot exceed 4 times the mass of Earth. In contrast, Jupiter is estimated to have a core of up to 25 times the mass of Earth. What makes this finding significant is that it contradicts prevailing models of gas giant formation, which suggests that these planets require a solid core with at least 10 times the mass of Earth. Number 16. 55 Concrete E, often referred to as the Diamond Planet, is a super-Earth exoplanet located about 40 light-years from Earth. Discovered in 2004, this intriguing planet has captivated scientists and space enthusiasts alike due to its unique characteristics. One of the most remarkable features of 55 Cancri e is its composition, which suggests that a significant portion of the planet may be made of diamond. It belongs to the class of super-Earths, rocky exoplanets with masses greater than the Earth but smaller than Neptune. With a diameter of twice that of the Earth, 55 Cancri e has an extraordinary dense and exotic composition. It's believed that the planet's surface is scorching hot, with temperatures soaring to about 3,902 degrees Fahrenheit, or 2,150 degrees Celsius. This extreme heat is caused by its close proximity to its host star, 55 Cancri a, which completes an orbit in just 18 hours. The intense heat and nearness to the star have led scientists to suspect that the planet has a rocky core surrounded by a thick layer of graphite. Despite its intriguing composition, 55 Cancri e is not a habitable planet. The extreme temperatures and hostile conditions make it uninhabitable. Number 15. Have you ever been fascinated or amazed by Saturn's rings? This next planet, called J1407b, also known as the Giant Rings Planet, is located about 420 light-years away in the Centaurus constellation. What sets this planet apart is its colossal ring system, which is much larger and more massive than Saturn's iconic rings. Discovered in 2012, the planet's ring system is an extraordinary spectacle. It stretches across a vast area and is estimated to contain about 30 to 100 rings, with gaps that are several times larger than the gaps in Saturn's rings. The rings themselves consist of dust and rock particles, ranging in size from big to small. The origin and stability of the planet's ring system remains subject of scientific investigation. One hypothesis suggests that the rings may have formed from remnants of moon-like objects torn apart by gravitational tidal forces from the planet. Another possibility is that the rings are the result of ongoing collisions and disruptions among numerous smaller objects in the vicinity of the planet. Number 14. Discovered in 2008, this celestial body is known for its unique features, including its striking resemblance to rubies and sapphires. Located about 1,040 light-years from Earth, HAT P7b orbits closely around its bright A-class star, completing one revolution in less than 3 days. One of the most intriguing characteristics of the planet is its extremely high temperature. Temperatures on the daytime side of the exoplanet can soar over 3,992 degrees Fahrenheit, or 2,200 degrees Celsius, similar to the surface of many stars. This scorching heat has led to the classification of the planet as an ultra-hot Jupiter. But what truly makes the planet unique is its remarkable darkness, with a surface reflectivity of less than 0.03, akin to a piece of charcoal. This means that the planet absorbs more than 97% of the visible light that shines upon it. Chemical models suggest that on the cooler nighttime side, clouds of corundum, the same mineral found in rubies and sapphires, may form. These clouds contribute to the planet's fascinating appearance, with the sky resembling sapphire. The intense heating also caused the planet's upper atmosphere to swell, resulting in a fluffy envelope around it. It's believed that the atmosphere experiences strong winds, reaching speeds exceeding 2 kilometers per second, as the hot air rushes from the daytime side to the nighttime side. Number 13. TRES-2b, located about 750 light-years from Earth, is known for its exceptionally low surface reflectivity, making it one of the darkest planets ever discovered. With a surface reflectivity of less than 0.01, the exoplanet reflects only a small fraction of the light that reaches its surface. This extreme darkness of the planet is attributed to its unique atmospheric composition. Scientists believe that the planet's atmosphere contains light-absorbing compounds such as vaporized sodium and potassium, contributing to its remarkably low reflectivity. These compounds efficiently absorb and capture light, resulting in the coal-black appearance of this planet. TRES-2b is a gas giant, similar to size in Jupiter, and orbits very closely to its host star, completing one revolution in just 2.5 days. Due to its close proximity to the star, the planet experiences scorching temperatures, with the daytime side reaching over 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1,000 degrees Celsius. The extreme heat and lack of reflective properties together create an otherworldly, shadowy world. Number 12. Did you know that Earth is not the only one of its kind, or even the best? Kepler 186f is an exoplanet that holds a special place in the search for potentially habitable worlds. Discovered by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope in 2014, it's located about 500 light-years from Earth, in the Cygnus constellation. What makes this exoplanet particularly intriguing is its smaller size to Earth and its position within the habitable zone of its host star. Kepler 186f orbits a red dwarf star, Kepler 186, with a period of about 130 days. It's considered an Earth-sized planet, with a radius approximately 1.8 times that of Earth. While its size is comparable to our planet, other characteristics such as its atmosphere, composition, and potential support for life are largely unknown. The planet resides in a habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, where it receives the right amount of stellar radiation from its star for potentially having liquid water on its surface. Liquid water is a key ingredient for the development of life as we know it, making Kepler 186f an intriguing candidate for further study. Number 11. This distant exoplanet is located approximately 20,000 light-years from Earth, and it was discovered in 2005. The name Icy Frozen Planet aptly describes the nature of OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB. It's a massive planet, about 5 times the mass of Earth, and orbits a faint and distant star known as a red dwarf. The frigid environment of the planet is a result of its significant distance from its host star, leading to extremely low temperatures. It belongs to a class of exoplanets known as ice giants. These planets are primarily composed of volatile substances such as water, ammonia, and methane, which exist in solid or icy form due to the low temperatures. The immense cold of the planet's surroundings results in a surface covered with a thick layer of frozen substances. It's suspected to be primarily composed of ice, with an estimated surface temperature well below freezing. Due to its great distance from Earth and the limitations of current observational capabilities, detailed info about the planet is quite limited. Number 10. Kepler 438b is an exoplanet of significant interest to scientists due to its rocky composition and its position within the habitable zone of its star. Discovered by NASA's Kepler spacecraft in 2015, the planet is located approximately 470 light-years from Earth. Kepler 438b is only about 12% larger than Earth and orbits a red dwarf star known as Kepler 438. Its location in the habitable zone means that Kepler 438b receives a level of stellar radiation that could potentially support the presence of liquid water on its surface. This makes it an exciting candidate in the search for potentially habitable exoplanets. However, despite its similarities to Earth in terms of size and potential habitability, Kepler 438b has some significant differences. It orbits much closer to its host star, completing a revolution in just 35.2 days. This proximity means that the exoplanet is likely exposed to intense radiation and tidal forces from its star. Additionally, the red dwarf star it orbits is known to be more active and prone to outbursts than our Sun, which could have significant impact on the planet's atmosphere and potential habitability. Number 9. Located approximately 63 light-years from Earth in the Vulpecula constellation is HD 189733b, and is known for its extreme and inhospitable conditions, including its unique weather phenomenon of glass rain. It can be compared to Jupiter in size, only hotter, and orbits much closer to its star, completing a revolution in just 2.2 days. The proximity of the star results in scorching temperatures, exceeding 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit or 1,000 degrees Celsius. This intense heat causes the planet's atmosphere to expand and creates extreme weather patterns. One of the extraordinary features of the planet is its atmospheric composition. Observations have revealed the presence of silicate particles, primarily in the form of molten glass, in its atmosphere. The extreme heat on the planet causes these silicates to condense and solidify, resulting in a unique phenomenon where glass particles fall from the sky. However, there's no gentle drizzle on the planet. Instead, a violent event occurs. High wind speeds reaching velocities of over 7,000 kilometers per hour cause sideways movements of the glass particles, leading to a fierce sideways rainstorm of glass. Number 8. WASP-12b is an exoplanet located approximately 1,400 light-years from Earth in the Auriga constellation. Discovered in 2008, it's known for its peculiar and extreme nature, earning its nickname Light-Eating Planet. WASP-12b belongs to the class of exoplanets known as hot Jupiters. It's a gas giant with a mass approximately 1.4 times that of Jupiter, but it orbits an extremely close distance to its host star, completing one revolution in just 26 hours. This close proximity to the star exposes the planet to extreme conditions. One of the remarkable features of the planet is its bloated atmosphere. The intense heat causes the planet's atmosphere to expand significantly, making it one of the largest known exoplanets in terms of size. This expansion has led to its ability to absorb and consume light. This makes the planet incredibly dark and reflects very little light back into space. The absorption of light by the planet's atmosphere is so efficient that it's described as eating the light. Number 7. PSR J1171 is an exoplanet located approximately 4,000 light-years from Earth. It was discovered in 2011 and is located in the Serpens constellation. What makes the planet so intriguing is its natural nature as a dense and transforming planet. It orbits Pulsar, which is a rapidly rotating neutron star that emits beams of electromagnetic radiation, similar to a lighthouse. The pulsar it orbits is known for its rotation speed of more than 10,000 revolutions per minute. It's believed that the planet is a remnant of a star stripped of its outer layers, leaving behind only a dense core primarily composed of carbon and oxygen. This makes it an example of an exotic type of planet known as a carbon planet. The enormous gravitational forces exerted by the pulsar cause the planet to be extremely compressed. It's also believed that the planet has been stretched to an elongated shape, resembling an egg or a football. Number 6. Where do those Barbies come from? Well, GJ504b could have been their home planet. It's an exoplanet located approximately 57 light-years from Earth in the Virgo constellation. Discovered in 2013, it's known for its distinctive pink hue. GJ504b is a gas giant exoplanet with a mass of about 4 times that of Jupiter. It orbits a young star called GJ504, which is approximately 160 million years old. The unique pink color of the planet is believed to be the result of its relatively cool temperature and the presence of large amounts of methane in its atmosphere. Methane gas absorbs blue light more effectively than red light, causing the planet to reflect a greater portion of red light, giving it a pinkish appearance. How cool would it be to live on a planet that's entirely pink? Would you want to? Number 5. KELT-9b is an exoplanet located approximately 670 light-years from Earth, in the Cygnus constellation. Discovered in 2017, it holds the distinction of being the hottest known exoplanet. KELT-9b is similar in size to Jupiter, but orbits incredibly close to its host star, KELT-9. This proximity results in scorching temperatures, with the planet experiencing average surface temperatures of over 7,772 degrees Fahrenheit, or 4,300 degrees Celsius. The extreme heat is a consequence of its close proximity to its host star, which is much hotter and more massive than our Sun. The planet faces extreme conditions such as intense radiation and high temperatures, leading to significant atmospheric evaporation. As a result of this process, a comet-like tail forms behind the planet, while some of the atmosphere escapes into space. These extreme conditions make KLT-9b one of the largest known exoplanets in terms of size. Number 4. HD 106906b is an exoplanet located approximately 336 light-years from Earth in the Crux constellation. This enigmatic planet was discovered in 2013 due to its enormous distance from its host star and its unusual formation. It's a gas giant, estimated to have about 11 times the mass of Jupiter. What sets this planet apart is its incredibly large orbit, which is more than 730 times the average distance between Earth and the Sun. The planet's distance from its host star challenges current theories of planet formation. The most common model of planet formation, known as core accretion, suggests that the planets form relatively close to their host stars. The extreme distance of the planet raises questions about its origin. One possibility is that it formed closer to its star and was then gravitationally scattered to its current position by interactions with other massive objects in the system. Number 3. There are 3 strange things about this next planet. A year lasts 3.7 days, it rains molten iron, and the sky is yellow. WASP-79b is an exoplanet located approximately 780 light-years from Earth, in the Eridanus constellation. This exoplanet was discovered in 2012 and stands out due to its striking yellow color and intriguing atmospheric properties. The yellow color of the sky is attributed to the presence of various chemical compounds in its atmosphere. One possibility is the presence of sulfur compounds, such as sulfur dioxide and hydrogen sulfide, which can absorb certain wavelengths of light and give the planet its unique color. These compounds may be produced by complex chemical processes in the planet's atmosphere. WASP-79b orbits very closely to its host star, completing a full rotation in just 3.7 days. The proximity to its star exposes the planet's intense radiation from the star. Which can influence its atmospheric composition and dynamics. Additionally, the high temperatures and stronger radiation lead to the formation and distribution of specific chemical compounds responsible for this yellow hue. Number 2. COROT-7b is an exoplanet located approximately 490 light-years from Earth in the Unicorn constellation. Discovered in 2009, it's known as a lava planet due to its surface temperatures and unique geological features. The planet orbits very closely to its host star, taking only 20 hours to complete a full rotation. This close proximity results in extreme tidal forces that likely made the planet tidally locked, meaning one side is always facing its star while the other remains in perpetual darkness. The intense heat and proximity to its host star have transformed the planet into a hellish world. The day side of the planet experiences surface temperatures exceeding 3,632 degrees Fahrenheit, or 2,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt rocks and metals. However, this has significant implications for its atmosphere. The intense stellar radiation and high temperatures may lead to evaporation, creating a thick mantle of evaporated rocks and metals that surrounds the planet. This evaporated atmosphere can condense and rain back onto the surface, creating a molten landscape of flowing lava. Number 1. The alien planet predates the existence of Earth and our solar system by several billion years. With an age of 12.7 billion years, it's nearly 3 times as old as Earth, which formed approximately 4.5 billion years ago. Its discovery challenges previous assumptions about planet formation and raises intriguing questions about the early stages of the universe. PSR B1662026b, also known as Methuselah, is an exoplanet located approximately 12,400 light-years from Earth, in the globular star cluster M4. It orbits a binary system consisting of a pulsar, a rapidly rotating neutron star, and a white dwarf star. This unique stellar movement, combined with its estimated age of 13 billion years, makes the planet a significant discovery in the field of exoplanet research. It's believed to have formed in a different era of the universe, when the chemical composition and dynamics of planetary systems were vastly different from what we observe today. Studying this ancient planet provides a glimpse into the conditions and processes that led to the formation of planetary systems during the early stages of cosmic evolution. Would you ever want to live on another planet? If so, which one? Let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos we've made, click one on the screen or take a look at the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.